Troubleshooting a display's config status message on the 787. This typically indicates a configuration data mismatch between the general processing modules or display crew alerting systems. First, we pull the diagnostic data from the existing faults page in the central maintenance computing function. Under a T at Chapter 31, we find maintenance message 31 to 41151 is active. Data from 31 DC OOPS left and right do not agree. Referring to fault isolation manual at TA 31 to 60, the prescribed corrective action is to synchronize GPM data. Navigate to the maintenance control pages and select airplane config data, ACT. You'll see the GPM data disagree flag. Select sync GPM data, then confirm to initiate the handshake. Once the sync is complete, we verify the rectification. Returning to existing faults, Chapter 31 is clear. There is no active fault for Chapter 31. We'll verify the same message on status page. The display's config status message is deleted from the status page too. Job done by the book.